Dude, by far, man, Battle at the Border, it was definitely the best backdrop I've ever had, man, as far as a show. I mean, I've done some actually even in downtown Orlando, but it wasn't a backdrop like that. I was just in town, you know, just the buildings up in the air. But I mean, it's pretty sweet, especially to be over here. A lot of good people here in Canada. Other than the Border Patrol, man, I love the place. You know?
Want to tell you a story about a man named Jed. He's a poor mountaineer, you see. Had a gun to his head. Had a wife named Wilma. Had a daughter named Fred. 'Cause Jesus lives in Texas. We're the shotgun! We're the shotgun!
A cruel, calculating killer, according to the evidence, turned out by the
We're the shotgun!
Yeah, right. No, I started racing when I was younger, but 2000, me and a couple guys were like, man, we need to figure out a way to get out there and ride our dirt bikes and see the world.
Hi, my name's Tim Dyson. I'm a professional freestyle motocross rider. Been riding since I was a kid. I just like to go on big jumps, do crazy stuff, and Travis kind of found me out a couple years ago, about 4 years ago. Been on the road with him now, and it's been pretty cool. Been traveling all around the world, riding a dirt bike. It's been awesome.
The guy's riding with me today, Tim. He's one of the main guys. He wasn't here last year. Actually, Mr. Ed Rossi was here, and he's actually at X Games right now with one of our other riders, Scott Murray, who actually did a double backflip. 7th Customs are really awesome. We got in the Border, met all the guys, Mizzle, a couple of the other guys. There's like 8 to 10 of them. We've been hanging out. The guys are awesome, man, just laid back. Pretty cool people, man. Awesome rides, too. They do some wild stuff to the cars. Yeah, when I was 19, I went through chemotherapy. I had Hodgkin's disease, which is lymphoma. It's cancer in your lymph nodes, which are in your neck, your groin, or groin, underarms, and they swelled up, and I got them cut out, and they said they were positive for cancer. So Florida wouldn't accept me because pretty much a sucky state as far as health insurance goes. But went up to Massachusetts and went through a 1.5 years of chemotherapy. I beat it, came out okay. It's been 13 years now, and I'm on top of the game right now. It's been an awesome thing, man. Just can't let it get you down. Just got to try to overcome it and be the best you can, you know, and pray.
All right, he's approaching that ramp, Mr. Tim Dyson, Orlando, Florida. Let's hear you, Battle at the Border. Oh, Dyson completely let go of the motorcycle.
Free expression can be grounds for execution.
Free expression can be grounds for execution. Free expression can be grounds for execution. Free expression.
Let's go.